Welcome to a journey through one of the most important industries in the food economy, the pork industry. From modern farms to closed processing lines in high-tech factories. Today's video will give you a comprehensive view of how pork is produced and delivered to the tables of millions of consumers around the world. We will start from large-scale pig farms, where pigs are cared for according to scientific processes, ensuring the highest health and meat quality. From diet, living conditions to disease control measures, all are strictly managed to optimize farming efficiency and meet food safety standards. After reaching the standard weight, pigs will be transported to the processing plant. Here, the slaughtering and meat processing process is carried out in a closed chain, applying modern technology to ensure hygiene, food safety and product quality. The stages from cleaning, cutting, sorting, and packaging are all carried out accurately and scientifically, in particular, in modern meat processing plants. Everything is automated to the maximum level, helping to minimize loss and increase productivity. After being pre-processed, pork will continue to be classified into many different products such as fresh meat, frozen meat, ground meat, sausages, ham, etc. to meet the diverse needs of consumers. Not only stopping at the processing process, the video will also provide an overview of the strict quality control system before the product is put on the market. From microbiological testing, antibiotic residues to packaging and preservation, all must comply with strict standards to ensure food safety and consumer trust. The journey from farm to table is a complex supply chain, requiring close coordination between farmers, producers and inspection agencies. Thanks to the development of modern technology and processes, the pork processing industry not only meets domestic consumption needs but also reaches out to international markets. Contributing to increasing the value of agricultural products and income for workers in the industry. Let's follow this entire journey to better understand an essential industry, where hard work, science and technology combine to bring the highest quality products to consumers. To better understand the modern pig farming process, we will delve into the important stages in the life cycle of a pig on the farm. Everything starts with the breeding stage, an important factor that determines the quality of meat. Healthy breeds, with clear origins, raised in standard conditions will ensure high productivity and minimize the risk of disease. At modern farms, pigs are raised in a strictly controlled environment. The barn system is scientifically designed, ensuring ventilation, cleanliness and minimizing the risk of disease infection. The nutritional regimen is also carefully calculated, with a diet rich in protein, vitamins and minerals to help pigs grow healthily and reach standard weight in the optimal time. In addition, disease prevention measures are always a top priority. Pigs on the farm are fully vaccinated, regularly monitored for health and apply strict disease control procedures. This not only helps improve meat quality but also ensures biosecurity, minimizing the risk of disease outbreaks that affect the entire livestock industry. After the pigs reach the standard weight, they will be transported to slaughterhouses and processed according to professional procedures. The transportation process is also strictly controlled, ensuring that the animals are not overly stressed, affecting the quality of the meat after slaughter. Upon arrival at the processing plant, Each pig will undergo a humane slaughter process, in compliance with animal welfare regulations. Here, modern technology is applied to ensure that the slaughter process is quick, safe and hygienic. After the pigs are cleaned, the meat will be classified into different parts to serve the next processing needs. The freshest pieces of meat will be put into the processing line, where they are cut, cleaned and stored at standard temperatures. From here, pork can be distributed directly to supermarkets, markets, or continue to undergo further processing, creating products such as ground meat, sausages, ham, cold cuts, etc. One of the important factors in the modern processing process is the quality control system. All pork products must undergo many strict inspection stages for food hygiene and safety. From checking for bacteria, antibiotic residues to nutritional quality, only products that meet the standards are packaged and brought to market. After packaging, pork products are transported to distribution channels, from large supermarkets to small retail stores. Thanks to advanced preservation technology, pork can maintain its freshness for a long time, ensuring quality when it reaches consumers. The journey from farm to table is not only a story about farming and processing, but also a story about the continuous development of the food industry. Thanks to the application of modern technology and strict management processes, the pork industry not only meets domestic demand but also has the opportunity to expand to the international market, contributing to bringing the country's agriculture to a new level. Continue watching the video to explore more deeply about each stage in the pork production process, from the smallest details in farming to the most advanced technologies in processing and preservation. This is one of the important industries, contributing greatly to economic development and ensuring a quality food source for millions of consumers every day. In the modern food industry, not only is the quality of pork concerned, but also sustainable production processes play an important role. Today's livestock farms not only focus on productivity but also aim to minimize environmental impact, use feed sources efficiently and apply waste recycling technology. One of the important factors in pig farming is waste management. Large farms today all apply biological waste treatment systems, converting livestock waste into organic fertilizers or biogas for electricity production. Thanks to that, not only pollution is minimized but also sustainable economic value is created. In addition, animal welfare is more concerned than ever. The modern livestock industry aims to ensure the best living conditions for pigs. From spacious barns to stress-reducing care, this not only helps improve meat quality but also meets the increasingly stringent requirements of the international market. In processing plants, technology plays an increasingly important role in optimizing the production process. Many plants apply automatic robot systems in the slaughtering, sorting and packaging stages. These robotic arms not only help increase production speed but also ensure accuracy. Minimize material loss and improve hygiene standards. In addition, the development of cold storage technology also helps extend the shelf life of pork while still maintaining flavor and quality. Modern cold storage with precise temperature and humidity control systems help products stay fresh from the time they leave the factory until they reach consumers. Not only serving the domestic market, the pork processing industry of many countries has reached out to the world. Exporting to demanding markets such as Japan, Korea, Europe and the US. To do this, businesses must meet strict standards on food hygiene and safety, traceability and strict quality management. In general, from the breeding stage to processing and distribution, the pork industry is increasingly modernizing, helping to improve production efficiency, ensure food hygiene and safety and meet the increasing demands of consumers. The journey from farm to table is a supply chain closely linked between farmers, processing enterprises and distribution systems. Each stage in the process plays an important role in ensuring the final product is of the highest quality. After the pork is processed and stored in a modern cold storage system, the next step is the transportation to distribution points. Specialized refrigerated vehicles ensure that products retain their freshness and food safety throughout the journey. This system not only serves the domestic market but also targets potential export markets. When coming to supermarkets, wholesale markets or food stores, pork is sold in many different forms. Consumers can easily choose fresh whole meat, pre-ground meat or processed products such as sausages, ham, cold cuts, to ensure origin and quality. Many products are packaged with clear traceability labels, helping customers feel more secure when using them. In addition, with the development of e-commerce, pork is now distributed through online platforms. Consumers can order and receive products right at home while still ensuring quality. Thanks to the advanced cold delivery system, this is an inevitable trend of the modern food industry, bringing maximum convenience to customers. In addition to serving daily meals, pork is also an indispensable ingredient in global cuisine, from traditional dishes such as braised pork. Sausage, to Western dishes such as bacon, barbecue ribs, all show the diversity and value of this food. Therefore, the pork farming and processing industry does not stop at providing food, but also contributes to promoting culinary culture, economic development and creating jobs for millions of workers around the world. Looking back at the entire journey, from modern farms, advanced processing processes, to a widespread distribution system, it can be seen that the pork industry is constantly changing and developing to meet the increasing needs of society. Each product on our dining table is the result of a meticulous labor process, combining technology, techniques and the dedication of those working in the industry. Thank you for following the journey of pork from farm to table. Please continue to accompany us to discover more interesting things about the modern food industry and the passionate stories behind every daily meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss the next interesting videos. The pork industry is entering a period of rapid transformation, with modern technology being widely applied to improve productivity, quality and sustainability. In the future, advances in artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain technology and cultured meat promise to completely change the way we produce and consume pork. AI is increasingly being used on farms to optimize pig farming. AI systems can analyze the behavior, health and nutritional status of individual pigs, helping to detect early signs of disease and optimize diets for maximum efficiency. Smart sensors and AI cameras can monitor the movement, body temperature and activity levels of pigs, providing accurate data for farmers to adjust their living environment accordingly. This not only increases productivity but also improves animal welfare, reduces stress and disease risks on the farm. In addition, AI also helps optimize the pork supply chain, from predicting market demand to effectively managing inventory. Thanks to that, businesses can reduce waste, optimize costs and increase profits. Blockchain, transparent traceability technology. In the context of consumers increasingly interested in food origins, blockchain has become an important tool to help trace the entire journey of pork from farm to table. Each pork product can be attached with a QR code containing detailed information about the place of farming, farming conditions, slaughtering, storage and transportation processes. When scanning this code, consumers can know exactly where the pork they buy comes from, how it was raised and processed. This helps increase customer trust and ensure transparency in the food industry. Blockchain also helps reduce food fraud and improve disease risk management. If there is a problem with a pork shipment, the blockchain system will quickly identify the origin and scope of the impact, helping authorities and businesses respond promptly and minimize damage. Cultured meat, a new direction for the food industry. One of the potential trends in the pork industry is lab-grown meat. Without the need to slaughter animals, cultured meat is created from pig stem cells, then grown in a nutrient-rich environment to create muscle tissue identical to real meat. This process not only helps reduce pressure on the traditional livestock industry but also contributes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, protecting the environment and ensuring biosafety. Although cultured meat is still expensive and not widely available, with the development of technology